Got me running back to you.
Hey guys, so I just got this really cool idea. Basically for my room, it's like an interior decorating type of idea. I haven't really done that many videos on like DIY projects and interior decorating, so I was like, why not film this while I try doing it? So I got inspired by Alyssa Forever. She's an amazing YouTuber and I watch her videos all the time because like I can relate. She's always like doing stuff by herself and I'm just like, me too, sis. She did this LV monogram wall, but she did hers out of like grass, and so I was thinking, that's really cute, but what if I do it out of like fur or like, I don't know, fabric or something shiny. I don't have a projector, so I'm really just gonna like have to wing it, honestly. So I'm gonna pick up some materials. I need some cardboard boxes, and then yeah, then we're gonna go to the alley and look at the fabrics and stuff. So now let's go. There's like so many fabrics, I don't know which one to choose. I don't know if I can find like something that's reflective like I want it to look like how it looks in the Louis store. So I don't know if I should do a fabric or if I should just do like something hard. Let's do this one. I love this. I think I might do something like this, but I want it to be just this sparkly kind of like this is so pretty. Hi. I love fabric. Oh my god. Or even something like this one. I love this one. Oh, I can't decide. Guys, look what I found. It's perfect. It's shiny. This one is really shiny. But I think I want like more of this color. Or I could get different ones too. I could get like a little bit of this one, a little bit of this one, and a little bit of this one, and a little bit of this one, and a little bit of that one. And make them all like different colors so it'll look like how it looks in the store. That'll be perfect. So, with this it's not even fabric, it's like paper material, but basically I'm getting a yard of each color so that I can like change up the symbols and make them all a different color. So I'm excited to do that. Excuse me, this one has it's in both sides.
Okay, I will deduct a little.
So right now I'm about to start. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have. So yeah, here's how I printed out the monogram. I print out this one the biggest, and then these ones are a little bit smaller, and I'm just gonna cut them out and trace them. So yeah, I tried to make sure I got all of these the same size, these three, and then that one being the biggest. So that's that. From Target, I got this colorful paper and this duct tape. I got both of these because I didn't know which one I want to put on the cardboard before I put the material on it. So I'm gonna see which one looks the best. And then I got this double-sided tape to stick the material onto the cardboard. And then, yeah, that's just some extra stuff. So let's get started. And of course you're gonna need a box cutter and some scissors and a pencil to trace and all that. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, good morning, people. So yes, I look different because I got an in-home lash appointment last night, so that's why my lashes look done. I had an epiphany when I woke up this morning. So I realized that in the picture at the Louis Vuitton store, the decals are actually stuck. So like they're actually flat on the wall instead of on cardboard. So I'm like, why don't I just make them flat on the wall instead of on cardboard? That way it'll be so much easier. We won't have to go through all these steps, because the hardest step is cutting the cardboard. And I already did that like 700 times. So I'm like, I could just use these as stencils for the paper and just cut them out flat and then put them onto the wall with the double-sided tape. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do that and show you guys exactly how. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, you guys, so basically what I did was trace each symbol around 3 to 4 times. The big XLs only did 2 times, but the other symbols I did 4 times, and I did it like that on like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did 4 times each of each symbol on 5 of the colors. I didn't use all 8. Now is the second to last step, which is going to be cutting them out. So yeah, this is going to take a while. So sit back and relax and enjoy.
I've been running, cause that dick's over there something, it look like I'm chopping onion on that dick, and I was frontin' talking mess like I'ma leave you, but I don't wanna see you, but I don't was gonna delete you on my phone. Wonder if I took off, would you ever hit me back? If I came up out of nowhere, would you ever cut me slack? Hit them with that kitty, 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 catty, give me really, 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 really back. I wanna let you know, you got me on my toes, you got me on all fours, fuck, do ya do that for? I wanna let you know.
After 48 hours of tracing and cutting, I think we are finally done. So yeah, like I said, I only did 1, 2, 3, 4 of the colors, well 5, but I didn't finish this one because I can't. So yeah, we're about to go put these on the wall. Okay, so I have all of everything set up right here, and I'm basically gonna start trying to put it on this wall. So as you guys can see, the print basically like starts 1 XL in the middle, and then 4 of these ones, and then like 4 of those ones on the out, and then keep going. So I'm gonna try to imitate that. Yeah, we'll see how this goes, because honestly I'm scared. I'm very scared. To tack them on the wall, I'm gonna be using this double-sided tape, Scotch. Hopefully this works, because if it doesn't, I really don't have any other option. So with the tape, I'm basically just taking about 4 pieces and putting each on one of the leaves of the flower. I don't know what this is, if it's a flower or not, but I'm putting basically 1 on each little side and then sticking it onto the wall. And I'm doing this with almost all of the symbols. I'm putting at least 4 pieces. With the XL symbols though, I put at least like 8 because they're huge. And I'm just gonna start sticking them on the wall. Sorry guys, so my camera actually died while I was putting up the first few pieces of the print. As you can see, I'm still putting up. It takes a lot of time to figure out the color scheme. Like that is what really took me the most time, was trying to figure out where I wanted certain colors to go, changing them around, because I didn't want them to like overlap and seem too muddy in one area. So yeah, that was the hardest part. Aligning them was easy because all you had to do was follow the one next to it. So I didn't really have that much trouble aligning it. But yeah, hardest part was finding out where I want to place all the colors. One thing that you absolutely don't want to forget when doing this is creating the circles that go in the middle of some of the symbols. Yeah, I almost forgot, and it was looking tacky, and I was like, what am I forgetting? And I was like, oh, I forgot to do the circles that go in the middle of the diamonds and the big circle flower pieces. So yeah, don't forget to do those. It's really easy. You honestly don't even need to trace them. So just freehand some circles and put them in there, but make sure you do them the same color or it will not look right. Trust me.
So good, I can't lie. Tell me why you change my mind every time. Got me running back to you.
guys. Look. So yes, as you can see, I finally finished my wall. It took me approximately 4 days. And the hardest part, I think, the part that was taking me so long was trying to figure out the color scheme, like where I wanted certain colors to go. Because I didn't want colors to like overlap and be too much in one area. So I wanted it to be like spaced out rainbow. And I kept having to like rearrange them, step back, look, make sure everything was okay. So yeah, this is the finished product. Peep my pants. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section. I'll try to answer as many as possible to the best of my ability. I would recommend you doing this if you want this in your home. I mean, look how gorgeous it is. I'm gonna take so many pictures in front of this. I'm gonna film all my YouTube videos in front of this. So get ready to be tired of seeing it. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy New Year! Woo! 2020. 2020. Oh my God, I'm 20 and going to 2020, but then I'll be 21. So. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for being here, and I love you, and thank you for 45,000 subscribers and everything that you guys have done for me so far. Let's keep going. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next video.
She's a bad freaky girl, don't break her to mama. First you get a name, and her name is Doda. And she got that killer kitty, put you in a coma. Put the whip in pot, give him brain and a robot. We just had a fight, but he's still coming over. Make up, sex, pop, cherry like a cola. Got me feeling loca, can't stop throwing in the cha-cha. Knocking on his door like a witness. I wanna let you know, you got me on my toes. You got me on all fours. Fuck, do ya do that toe? I wanna let you know, you got me on my toes. You got me on all fours. Fuck, do ya do that toe? Oh, I swear it's so good I can't lie. Tell me